I want you guys to see that this product is selling for $180 on Amazon, and it's selling for $180 on the site I'm going to be buying it from. But still, I am going to make $110 buying two of these. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to stack those discounted gift cards, cash back, and coupons all in one purchase. That's really what I want you guys to see here. Now, this is a product that I have flipped multiple times. I should not be giving it away to you guys, but it's fine. I don't do as much arbitrage as I used to, just because like I can make good money doing arbitrage, but I can make more money doing private label and YouTube. So let me show you guys the breakdown on how to do this start to finish, really. So I've got this product right here. I got an email from Brookstone saying they're having a big sale. So I come over here, check the products that I've flipped multiple times. There's a few others of them. And I could see that, well, this is the email I got right here. You see, I got $300, $90 off $300 purchase. And if I add two of these to my cart, that's going to put me at a little over $300. Let's go check out my cart. So I'm going to apply that discount that I just put in here, and we're going to lose $90 just like that. So look at that. It's already actually applied here. So now we're down to $270, which if I do the math, is going to take us to, it's free shipping too, so that is super nice. 270 divided by 2. Okay, now we're at $135 per unit. And after fees, we get $152. This right here is the Rev Seller extension. It's the only extension that I use for arbitrage that you have to pay for. It's $100 a year. But you can see I'm going to get $150 after fees. So right now, all of a sudden, we are in the green a little bit. Not enough for me to want to buy this product, but just we're in the green a little bit. So now we're going to do the next step here, which is going to save us just as much money, is we're going to be looking for discounted gift cards. Okay, this is Gift Card Granny. I love them, honestly. And you can see here that they are essentially like a search engine for discounted gift cards. They show me discounted gift cards from a lot of other sites. And right here at Card Cookie is what I believe is the best one. You can... so essentially I'm going to buy a gift card. It's going to have this much value for it. It's going to be worth $251, but I'm only going to pay $188.17. So essentially I'm going to save another whatever 251. So 251 is what it's worth. I'm going to buy it for $188. I'm going to save myself another $63 here. So now all of a sudden, instead of actually paying $270, I'm going to save another $63 with this discounted gift card. So that would put our actual cost at $270 minus 63. Now we're paying $207 for 2 units. Now our price is at about $100 a piece, a little over that. Good, that's good. Good. So now we need to do one more thing here to actually get a little more money back. And this is something I've never heard anybody talk about. I'm afraid once I get it out there, it's going to blow up. It's not going to be good anymore. But I have been using freeshipping.com to get some more cash back. The site, I know it looks scammy as hell. I promise you 10% cash back everywhere, but it does work. I've gotten checks in the mail. I think my biggest one ever was $400. I think it's the biggest cashback check I've ever gotten. The way it works is they charge you $12 a month, and you get 10% cash back on a lot of shit. A lot of stores. You see 1,000 retailers. Brookstone is one of them. Now here's the caveat, and yeah, it's kind of a shitty caveat, but you're not supposed to be using this for commercial purposes. So like technically what we were doing here is against their terms of service, because you're solely supposed to be for personal purchases, but you're probably going to get away with it for a while. And at the very least, like, it's going to help you get that extra cash back until you understand the process. At some point you might get your account shut down, but that's just the game. So, but again, I'm gonna pay $12, and then on this product I'm gonna be able to save 10%, and 10% of $270 is another $27. So I'm going to save another $27. Okay, now I'm at $180 right there. Okay, now so now I'm looking at divided by 2. I'm looking at $90 per unit, and after Amazon fees we're gonna get $152. Okay, So now we're actually in the green. Now there's a couple things that we need to actually analyze, okay, that we haven't done yet. And that's just because I made the assumptions because I know the product. But first thing we have to do is we got to check and make sure this product's actually freaking selling, okay? So I'm going to use the AMZ Scout FBA calculator. It's free. It tells me how many units it's selling a month, 440. I could buy 100 of these units and still make money and still sell them all very easily. 440 units a month is plenty. It's plenty of units a month. So the product's already selling. We know how much money we're going to make. There's two more things we need to take a look at here, and that is the price history, to keep a graph, okay? Because what I see new sellers do is this product's selling for 180 bucks, but what if last week the product was selling for $190, was selling for like 100 bucks, and now it's just selling for $180, and it's just like it's a blip, okay? The price will go back down once more sellers come back in, okay? Now we could see here that is not the case. The product's been selling for $180 for quite a while. Looks like about 10 days it's been selling for that long. And then here we could see that it was selling for $180 still. So it's been selling at $180 for like a month. That is a really good time span to be like, okay, yeah, this product's still going to sell for $180. Now here's where it gets a little dicey. This product was selling for $168 before that. It spent a little bit of time at $155 and then spent more time at $168. So the reality is we might not unload this, even though for a whole month it's been selling at 178 bucks. We might not unload this unit for $178. So we're going to buy the product for $90. We're going to spend $5 to ship it into Amazon, probably no more than that. So we're going to be looking at $95 cost. And here's the thing. Here's where you got to do the math. It looks like this product was selling for, $155 for a little couple weeks, but then $168 here, and like, I don't know. The most recent is the most valuable, right? So like, even if this product sells for like $160, we'll still make some money, right? $160, and we're still gonna make $38 a unit. Is that as good as I want to make? Absolutely not, okay? It's still a 40% return on my money though, which is about the lowest I will go is 40%. I might go 30 if I'm really, really confident. I think there might be some upside, but essentially, you just need to make sure you're not going to lose money. You're at the very least going to make a little bit of money, and that's what this product looks like. So we expect to actually be able to sell it for 180. And here's the reality: right now, there's no other FBA sellers. Okay, you can see that there are other people selling this product. This product is not actually eligible for Amazon Prime. So if you come in there and do Amazon Prime, you can actually charge 10 to 15% more than this price and still get the buy box. So $180, if we can charge 10% more, that means that we can charge $198, right? I'm just running you through the scenarios here. So we might be able to charge $198 and still get the buy box, depending on what the situation looks like when we get the product in which case, then we're going to make a shit ton more money, and we're going to make $73 a unit, okay? Now there's one last thing I haven't included here, and that is sales tax. You are going to get charged sales tax when you buy this product, okay? Some of you are in states that do not have any sales tax, or you guys have prep centers that in states that don't have any sales tax, which is awesome, because if that's the case, then this is exactly what it's going to cost you, okay? It's going to cost you $95, $90 for the unit, and then $5 to ship it back into Amazon. One thing you need to know is you cannot buy the product and then you have to ship the product to yourself or a prep center in order to send it back into Amazon. You can't just ship it straight to Amazon. That doesn't work. So some of you are going to have to pay 10% sales tax, which is going to be an extra $9. So now my price is $104. Yeah, that kind of sucks to have to pay that extra $9. If I ship this product to my house here in Iowa, it's going to be a 6% sales tax, which means I'm going to be paying about $5.50 in sales tax, which would put my cost at $102? I'm literally losing it, guys. $102. So that's the one thing that differs. But I'm just trying to walk you guys through how you stack things. Super important thing, you also have to check to make sure you can actually sell this product. I've sold it before, I know I can still sell it. The Rev Seller extension will show you right here in the top right corner that I can sell it. When it's green like this, it means I can sell it just like that. That's why I use the Rev Seller extension primarily, because it's fast, right? It's the fastest way to know. There's another way to check to see if you can sell a product. You can go into Seller Central here, go into catalog, go into add a product under the catalog tab. I'd show you, but then you're going to see my store name. And then you can see right here, it says that I can sell mine in new, refurbished, or used condition, meaning that I can sell the product, right? So that is how you go about and check to see if you can sell a product. It's very important that you can. A lot of products are restricted. This one is not. Brookstone itself is not. That's the cool thing. Like, I haven't yet to run into any of their products that I cannot sell. I do have a full course on how to do this whole process and scale your business, make more money. I'm actually updating it here very soon. I got some friends that are actually doing some guest appearances and adding some new tactics to the course. I'll put that as the first link in the description if you guys want to check that out. It's something that I offered you guys. It is $100, $95 to be exact. With that, I will put my playlist right here to how you actually do my YouTube playlist. It's free, obviously, it's on YouTube. How you would build a business doing arbitrage and scale that up. It'll give you a very good idea of how to do all this. With that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Smash that subscribe button.